Hi, kindergarten friends. Today we're going to talk about changing CVC words. If you haven't watched Making CVC Words, I suggest you do that first. CVC stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. So the activity asks you to start by building a CVC. So ask your child to spell cat. If they can't spell cat by just saying it plainly, then you can sound out each sound. K, a, t, cat. Changing CVC words means you ask them to change the first, middle, or ending sound to make a different word. So I'll say, change the first sound to make the word rat. Rat. Your child will change the C to an R to make rat. And then for a challenge, I might say, add another letter to make the word brat. Brat. And that's using that beginning sound blends. Brat. You hear two sounds at the beginning blended together. Brr. Brat. Again, that might be challenging. And then you can say, take a letter away to make the word bat. Bat. B. A. Ooh, that R shouldn't be there. I'll take that out. B. A. T. Bat. Change this word to bit. Bit. If that's tricky, you can ask them, what do you have to change to make bit? Listen. B. I. That's right. That A should be an I. It's very common for children to get I and E sound mixed up. So just keep saying the I sound and referring to it as I. And that's how we change CVC words. Have fun teaching.